Worldwide reset imminent. A vast plan has been organized for many years to trigger a huge positive change on this planet. This will be the implementation of fair legal justice to put an end to the abuse of this planet's populations and ecosystems. The reason we have known about this in advance is because information has been released by insiders to help us prepare. Here is some key information about the plan and what you can do to help. What to know about this transition. Many elected officials, CEOs, big bankers, etc. have committed extreme crimes against humanity, stolen vast sums of money, corrupted our society structure, media, finance, etc. Resistance has been organized, and official agencies' insiders are going to arrest them legally and give them fair trial to liberate the planet. The mass media will be giving clear proof about what has really been going on. The financial system will be shut down for 3 to 15 days. Your money will not disappear. A new fair system will replace it with more abundance for everyone. The old system was based on virtual debts disconnected from real value, allowing small groups of people to steal and manipulate money worldwide. All debts owed to banks will therefore be forgiven. Honest debts between private individuals and companies will still have to be honored. The new system will be based on real value, especially gold standard, to ensure fair exchanges. Vast amounts of stolen wealth will be redistributed and shared for every human on the planet. What you can do to help. We are to transition peacefully. There may be temporary disruptions in transports, energy, and food supplies. Make sure you have necessities for 3 to 15 days. Remain calm. This is not martial law or a coup. Nothing will be imposed upon you. No bloody revenge will be allowed. This is to be fair justice. Inform yourself. Reach out. Discuss. Listen to announcements. Do your own research. Conflicts among you were artificially created to divide and conquer. We are to live in peace as brothers and sisters. If you are able, help that everybody is taken care of and has basic necessities. The exact date of this event cannot be predicted, but the plan is going well. We are to live in peace with more abundance and freedom. Previously suppressed solutions will be released for the whole planet, and massive true humanitarian and ecological projects will be put in place. Liberation now.